Do you want to know how I got paid 3 times from one deal? Hi, I'm JoAnna Anderson with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get paid multiple times from just one deal. In real estate, there are a lot of ways to make money on every deal, and there are even a few ways to make money multiple times from the same deal. And I'm not just talking about rental properties. One time I got a lead that didn't pan out. It was a man who owned a property that he was using as a boarding house for men with mental health issues. At the time, I just couldn't work out the deal, and the numbers didn't make sense. He wanted way too much for the property. So I added it to Realeflow so I could follow up with him later. 2 years later, to be exact, I'm going through some old leads in Realeflow and following up on them. I called the owner, let's just call him Jim. And once I spoke with Jim informed me that the property had now been condemned. And I noticed something different about Jim as well. I wasn't sure if Jim was mentally capable of signing off on a purchase and sale agreement. And because the property had been condemned, Jim was losing money every day. Now, this negotiation was different than most because of Jim's health issues. We had to work with an attorney to make sure that he was indeed mentally able to sell the property. I soon got it under contract, and I had to call the county to get permission to enter the property because there was a big condemned sign on the front door. It was in really rough condition and even had a squatter in it. The rehab was extensive, to say the least. I brought in my contractors to talk about the scope of work. And at this point, my contractors had taken interest in rehabbing properties as well, and they wanted their first deal. Now, they had helped me to rehab a lot of properties and make a profit. And I wanted to do the same for them. So I used the deal analyzer in Realeflow to break down the numbers. I explained to them what the after repair value meant, what financing costs would look like in this deal. And after showing them all of the numbers and showing how they could profit from the deal, I was able to make a small profit wholesaling it to them. I even lined up a lender for them and got a referral fee from the lender. And once the property had been rehabbed, I listed it for them as a realtor. Now that's 3 paydays from just one deal. And even better, I now have a great relationship with the county, and they send me more property leads to this day. Realeflow gave me the right tools to follow up with the lead, analyze it, and profit multiple times along the way.
Need help getting started? Click the link in the description to get our free real estate investing toolkit. All the tools you'll need to get your investment business off the ground.